2018 is ending, 2019 is just beginning. Here at the House of Hacks, let's take a look back at the last year and polish the old crystal ball and look forward a little bit at the new year. Hi, Harley here. First, I want to just start out with a great big thank you for everybody that's joined us here at the House of Hacks and subscribed. If it weren't for you, this would be a really quiet place. Looking back to the start of this year, there were about 5,300 subscribers, almost 1 million lifetime views, and about 93 videos uploaded. Counting down the top 3 videos of the 18 that were uploaded this year, number 3 was on the topic of dividing binary numbers. Number 2 was about designing sequential turn signal indicators. And number 1 was about when to use silicone grease versus lithium grease. Overall, year-over-year numbers were down. I suspect this has to do with quite a few less videos released this year than last year. The main difference came from not doing Veda this year and the 31 videos that were related to that the previous year. If you take out the Veda videos from the previous year, the 2 upload counts for each year were much closer together. But I do think that having those fewer videos this year versus last year did cause the numbers to be down significantly. While the year-over-year numbers were down, overall the numbers looked pretty good. There were almost 2,000 new subscribers this year, there were over 300,000 new views just this year, and there were 18 videos that I was able to upload. Notable milestones this year were clicking over 1 million lifetime views for the channel and having over 100 videos uploaded. While it wasn't a record-breaking year, we did see solid growth. One of the goals this year is to get a more consistent schedule. At this point, I'm planning on releasing a new video on the 2nd and 4th Fridays of every month. This is the first time I've set a schedule, and I am kind of intimidated by it, actually. I also want to get more involved in social media in general and creating a community around making things. I'll have an announcement about this in an upcoming video soon. Over here, there's a video that YouTube thinks you'll enjoy. I'll see you in that video. Remember, when making things this year, perfection's not required, fun is.